Your mixer grinder is built for everyday cooking, but these small mistakes can quietly damage it. Here are 10 mixer grinder mistakes most people make and how to avoid them. Overloading puts stress on the motor and blades. Always leave space for ingredients to move freely. Running the grinder continuously overheats the motor. Use short bursts and allow cooling time. Each jar is designed for a purpose. Using the wrong one affects results and damages blades. Hard-dry ingredients need pulsing, not constant grinding. This protects both motor and jar. A loose lid causes spillage and vibration. Always lock it properly before switching on. Some recipes need liquid support. Running dry mixtures too long strains the motor. Blunt blades reduce efficiency and increase load. Replace or service them on time. Food residue affects hygiene and performance. Clean jars and blades after every use. An unstable surface causes vibration and wear. Always place the grinder on a flat, firm base. Strange sounds or burning smells are warning signs. Stop immediately and get it checked. Use your mixer grinder the right way for better performance and longer life. For expert advice and trusted kitchen appliances, visit Aditya Retail.